Bay leaf tea makes the tummy sing. Cold and flu season. It comes around every year, and every year we wait and see if we'll get struck down, like we always do. As Baby proclaimed to Johnny in Dirty Dancing, it doesn't have to be this way. We can start amping up our immune powers now by incorporating some simple and delicious practices into everyday life. And that is where bay leaf tea comes into the mix to make your tummy and your immune system sing. We know bay leaves, right? Of course we do. We tend to use them sparingly, adding a leaf here and there to soup stocks, chilies and everyone's favorite homemade spaghetti sauce. But come on now. We know that the herbs and spices we add to our meals offer more than just flavor. These true flavor enhancers are also superpowers in the functional and culinary nutrition realm. They pack a punch. And bay leaves are part of that party. The best way to get the benefits from herbs and spices is to brew or decoct a tea.